Okay, so I am starting with the topic today. Only 18 students. Where are Purnamalli students? Okay, leave it. Okay, leave it. This is Mogapur. Uh, Only 20 students. Okay, no problem. I am starting. First of all, today I am going to start human reproduction. But one problem is there that 12th class of Mogapur environment some topics has been left. No, last topics I think from the global warming, ozone layer depletion, from there some part has been left for them. So how to complete that? A new schedule has been came and that half only. So afterward I will take some class to finish that. Okay, remaining topics of that chapter. Clear to here? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for today I am going to start uh, human reproduction. So put the heading new chapter. This is the third chapter of the NCRT book of class 12, human reproduction. One thing, see, third and fourth chapter, this chapter along with the reproductive health, these two chapter, 4 to 9 question will be asked in it. Minimum 4, maximum 9. 1 year, 9 question has been given from these two topics. So these two topics are very, very important for us. Okay, 4 to 9 question will be essentially asked from this topic. Clear up to here? So we have to focus mainly on this. Highest topic is from human physiology, that is 16 to 19 question will come from there, human physiology. Remaining will come from here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so for the human reproduction, first of all, we should talk a general things before starting this human reproduction. What is the sex organs? How many types of sex organs are there? Two types of sex organs. One is what? Primary sex organ. And another one is what? Secondary sex organ. Secondary sex organ. So what is the difference between primary sex organ and secondary sex organ? My voice is clear or not? Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear. Now primary sex organ are those sex organ which primary sex organs are also called as essential sex organs, or they are also called as what? Gonads. Three names are there of primary sex organs. Okay, they are also called as what? Gonads. So what is this primary or essential or gonads? Those sex organ which produce gametes. Okay, sex cells, organs producing gametes. Gametes is also called as what? Sex cells. Okay, they are what? Primary sex organ. One more function is there of primary sex organ or essential sex organ. Okay, synthesize and secrete sex hormone. synthesize and secrete sex hormone. These are the two functions. Okay, producing the gametes, sex cells, and synthesize and secrete sex hormone. They are called as primary sex organ. Now, secondary sex organs are what that it allows fusion of, help in fusion of, help in union or fusion, male and female gamete. Okay, so internal fertilization in human, internal fertilization is taking place. That means fertilization means fusion of sperm and ovum is taking place inside the body of female. Okay, help in fusion of male and female gamete. So that male and female gametes fuse in the oviduct or fallopian tube. Okay, oviduct or fallopian tube. Okay, so help in fusion of male and female gametes. Second is what? Help in development of embryo in viviparous animal. Help in development of embryo. So actually embryonic development. The embryo, first zygote will convert into embryo will convert into fetus. This all developments takes place in what? Inside the secondary sex organ. So fertilization is takes place in secondary sex organ, and development of embryo in viviparous animal also takes place in what? Secondary sex organ. In oviparous animal, development of embryo takes place inside what? Tell me.
Inside the egg, sir.
Very good. Inside the egg. Mutte ulle takes place.
Yes.
Clear? So
Yes, sir.
understood up to here? Okay. So sex organs we seen, also called as, okay, so primary sex organ, if you will see here, male primary sex organ. Male primary sex organ is what? Testes.
Testis.
Array, this is the correct spelling or this is the correct spelling? Anyone can?
So the left one for singular and right one for plural.
What? Hello?
Testis is TIS is for singular, sir. Testis ES.
Actually, both are correct. We can write IS also. We can write ES also. Both is correct. Testis or testis. Okay. Now, actually, this one what? This is what actually plural. Plural means maximum two only. One person is having two only. In Hindi we called it dvivachan. Okay. This is ekvachan. Ek means one. So singular and double. Okay. Now if we will talk about the female secondary sex, primary sex organ, that will be called as what?
Ovaries.
Ovary.
Plural
Ovary or ovaries. Ovaries is for what? How many ovaries? Two only, no? Okay, any female is having more than two ovary? No, that's not possible. Only two. Ovary, ovaries. Like that. Both we can write. So ovary is for two ovary and single ovary is what? OVARY. Clear up to here? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's move on to the secondary sex organ. In the case of secondary sex organ, if we will talk about the male and female secondary sex organ, just we will see, this is male, female. Okay, so male secondary sex organs are what? Many are there. Reti testis, vas deferens, vas efferentia. We will talk about all. Okay, epididymis, then vas deferens, seminal vesicle.
prostate gland.
Yes, prostate gland. Then Cowper's gland. These all are what? Secondary sex organ. And if we talk about the female, in female, the secondary sex organs are what? vagina, then cervix, uterus, fallopian tube, also called as what? Oviduct.
Oviduct.
Yes. Okay. And Bartholin gland.
Skinny's gland.
What? Gland of skin. Yes.
Gland of skinny.
Yeah. Two glands are there. Gland of skin is there. Paraurethral gland, also called as paraurethral. We will talk about all these things. Clear up to here? So these are the secondary sex organ. We will talk about each and every sex organ. But one thing before that, I want to make something clear. Okay. Wherever the word for the testes. Okay. See, male gamete is what?
Sperm, sir. Spermatozoa.
Yes, spermatozoa. In common language, we are calling it as what? Sperms. If you will talk about the female gamete,
Ovum.
Ova.
no.
Ovum.
Yes, very good. Ovum. Ovum. What is the difference between ovum and ova? Ovum is what? Singular. Ova is what? Plural.
Again, plural. Multiplex.
Okay. Ova is plural. Ovum is what? Singular. Now, ovum and ova can't be called as what? Egg. It can't be called as what? Egg.
Follicle, sir.
No. It can't be called as egg. E-double-G. Egg. Okay. Some people are telling it is called as egg. No, it is not egg. Egg is formed after the fertilization only. Hey, wait. Female gamete is ova or ovum. Okay. Haploid ovum. Okay. Egg. Something like that. But ovum also formed after the fertilization only. Secondary oocyte is the actual female gamete. Okay, leave it. We will talk afterward. Okay, clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now some terms we will see. Okay, some general terms we will see here. If we anywhere for the testes, orchi word is there. Orchi word, wherever you will find, that is related to what? Testes. For ovary, oofer. Oofer word is related to what? Ovary. Okay. So ooferectomy. Wherever the word Tommy word you will see in the biology, it is related to what?
Sir, surgical removal of something.
Cut or okay, cutting. Wherever if you will see this cut, Tommy word, that is related to what? Cut. So oophorectomy means surgical removal of
Ovaries.
ovary. Okay. Orchiopexy means it is the operation of testis. Okay. Orchitis means pain in testis, like that. Clear up to here? For vagina,
Yes, sir.
which word is there? Colpo. Colpo word is always related to what? Vagina. Clear? Then one more is there. Uterus. Hystera. HYS. Hystera. Hysterectomy means what? Surgical removal of uterus.
Uterus.
Okay, Tommy means what? Cutting. Hysterectomy. Hystera.
Yes, sir.
From here, question has been asked in NEET 2017. This word is not given in NCERT. From there also they have. Okay. After uterus, fallopian tube or oviduct. Fallopian tube is also called as what?
Alpins.
Oviduct. Okay. For this, what word it is to be used?
Sir, salpinx, sir.
Salpingo. Salpingo. Okay. Salpingitis. Itis word is used for what? Tell me.
Inflammation, sir.
Inflammation or pain or okay. Volume. Sorry. Clear. So salpingo word is salpingectomy means, okay. So these are the some common word, okay. Orchidectomy means what? Tell me.
Surgical removal of testes.
Very good. Orchi word is related to testis. So orchidectomy, tommy means cutting.
Cutting.
Clear up to here? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now one more thing is there about the breast. Okay, tell me, it is the primary sex organ or secondary sex organ?
So secondary sex organs.
Okay, if you will see the condition which satisfy the secondary sex organ, see these are the two conditions for the secondary sex organ. Help in formation of male and female gamete. No, fusion or also called as union. Huh? So any male and female gamete is fusing inside the breast.
So no, sir, but it nourishes.
Okay, 1 minute. Second condition is what? Help in development of embryo. Help in development. Is it helping in development of embryo? No.
No, sir.
So breast is not primary sex organ as well as it is not secondary sex organ also. It is a accessory sex organ. It is what? Which type of sex organ? Accessory sex organ. You can't call the breast as primary sex organ or secondary sex organ. It is an accessory sex organ. Clear up to here? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which word we will use for this breast?
Memory.
No, mast. Okay, mast. Okay, what is meant by mastectomy? Surgical removal of breast.
Sir.
Okay, one female singer have done this. Yeah, Shakira. No, not Shakira. Some female singer is there of foreign country. Oh, I don't know the name. Angelina Jolie. Something like that. Okay, she has undergone mastectomy. Actually, when breast cancer is taking place, the full breast surgically cut down and removed. That is okay. Now tell me, is the breast is found in all mammals?
Yes, sir.
No, only in primates. Breast is found only in primate. Primate means what?
So apes, monkeys.
Monkeys, apes, human. Apes what coming?
Human.
Gorilla, chimpanzee, gibbon, many are there. Okay. So breast is found only in the primate. But if you talk about mammary gland is found in the mouse also. It is found in the elephant also. But cow, buffalo, goat, camel, whatever mammals, all are having the mammary gland. But breast is present only in the primate, no other mammal. Clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Completed. Huh? So these are some common terminologies I want to tell you. Okay, now we will talk about, put the heading, males first, two type of reproductive system is there, male reproductive system and female reproductive system. First we will talk about the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system. Okay, in this male reproductive system, first we will talk about the location of male reproductive system. What is the location of male reproductive system? Here we are going to see.
Pelvis.
Yes, very good.
So it's total.
No, not scrotal. Actually, one pipe was difference that is looped around the urinary bladder. So is urinary bladder inside the scrotum? Illa.
Sir.
Location, we can say pelvic region of the abdomen part. Okay, pelvic or pelvis also we can say, pelvis part or pelvic part of abdomen. Pelvic part which is found in the lower side of abdomen. Okay, pelvic part of abdominal cavity, this is the location of male reproductive system. Okay, next we will talk about, it consists of what? here you can write pelvis also, no problem. Pelvis also you can write. So consists of what? Tell me.
Scrotum. Testis.
Ayo, testes. Ethane testes.
One
Two.
pair.
One pair. Apram. Then male sex accessory ducts. Okay.
Retitestis, vas efferentia, vas deferens,
Yes.
ejaculating duct.
Accessory ducts. Male sex accessory ducts are there, and that ducts just we will see here. So first is what? Retitestis. Then epididymis. Epididymis. Then vasa efferentia. Then actually vasa efferentia should come at second point. Epididymis should come at third point, because but I have written wrong. Not wrong. It's just serial. I have done somewhat. Okay. Now vas difference. Vas difference. This all are what? Male sex accessory ducts. Now male sex accessory glands.
Prostate gland.
Yes, male sex accessory glands. So male sex accessory gland, what we will see in this, first is what? Seminal vesicle. How many seminal vesicles are there? One pair. Here also, see, retitestis, epididymis, vasa efferentia, 12 to 15 vasa efferentia may be there. Vas difference is how much? One pair. Retitestis is also one only. Epididymis is also one only. Seminal vesicle. Then prostate. Prostate gland. How many prostate gland are there?
Only one, sir.
One. Now next is what? Bulbourethral gland.
Cowper's gland.
Yes. Urethral gland. It is also called as what? Cowper's gland. Cowpers. Cowper's gland. How many? One pair. From here many times question has been asked. Okay. Only prostate gland is unpaired. Rest all. Okay. So testes, male sex accessory duct, male sex accessory glands, and external genitalia. So these four things, okay, testes, male sex accessory duct, male sex accessory gland, external genitalia. These four things forms what? Male reproductive system. Written all?
Yes, sir.
Can I scroll up?
Yes, sir.
Super. Now next, first of all, put the heading testes. Okay. So testes origin. Origin of testes is what? It is originated from what?
Mesodermal.
Mesodermal. Yes, very good. Mesodermal. Okay, now we will see the location. Okay, what is the origin of sperm? What is the origin of sperm or spermatozoa? Tell me.
Mesodermal.
Yes, mesodermal only. Okay, what is the origin of ovum? That is also mesodermal. What is the origin of ovary? That is also mesodermal. Everything is mesodermal. Clear or not? Okay. Now next we are going to see the location of the testes. Location is what? It is found outside the abdominal cavity in a pouch-like structure called as scrotum or scrotal sac. Okay. Outside abdominal cavity in pouch like structure called scrotal sac or scrotum. Okay, so it is like see for the it is lie outside the abdominal cavity, outside the body, because inside the testis it is to be
To maintain the temperature.
yes, 2 to 2.5 degrees
2 to
centigrade.
2.5.
Yes. So
For spermatogenesis.
yes, very good. Okay, testes are located out of body to maintain 2 degrees centigrade to 2.5 degrees centigrade temperature less than normal body temperature. Which is how much? 37 degrees centigrade. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, this essential for what? For sperm formation. Which is process of sperm formation is called as what?
Genesis.
Spermatogenesis.
Yes, spermatogenesis. Clear or not? So suppose body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. For the formation of sperm, the temperature required is what? Either 35 degrees centigrade or 35.5 degrees centigrade. Clear or not? Either 35, okay, or 35.5 degrees centigrade is required for the sperm formation. That's why it is
Yes, sir.
located outside the abdominal cavity. Clear? Okay. Can I scroll it up?
Yes, sir.
So diagrammatically, if you will see, if this is the male body, now here the testes are located in the abdominal region. This is what? Scrotum. Scrotum or scrotal sac. Now this scrotum is connected to the wall of abdomen with the help of what? Tell me. What is this? Inguinal canal. Okay. So scrotum is connected to the abdomen by what? Inguinal canal.
Canal.
Clear? Okay. Now, okay. So one thing, how the testis forms? At which month of the embryonic development testis forms?
Third month, sir.
6th month. MONTH. Sorry. If the question will be asked which month testis form, 6 month is called as what? Second trimester. First 3 month is called first trimester. Second 3 month is called second trimester. So total 6 months. Okay. So this testes are found. Sorry, what I am saying. Testes developed under the development of testes takes place under the influence of which hormone? Tell me.
Testosterone.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಟೆಸ್ಟೋಸ್ಟೆರಾನ್
And
ಎಪ್ಪಡಿ ಬರು ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟೋಸ್ಟಿರಾನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ testis illana eppadi testosterone inge varum. Here no testes are there, how testosterone will come? Tell me, another girl was saying something. Hello? Okay, leave it. Have you heard about this hormone? HCG? Human chorionic gonadotropin. Human chorionic gonadotropin. This hormone stimulate the development of what? Testes. Then only the testes will develop. Clear? Okay. So what is the use of this inguinal canal? Inguinal canal, tell me.
Connected to scrotum.
Scrotum. To whom?
Abdomen.
Abdominal wall. Yes. Connect scrotum to abdominal wall. Like this. Now, one thing you tell me. 6 month this will form. What will form? Testes will form. So where the testes will be present? Tell me.
Inside the abdominal cavity.
Yes, very good. Okay, inside abdominal cavity. Yes. Okay. So now what happened between 7th to 9th month of pregnancy? This testis start coming downward. Actually, testis has to come out of the abdominal cavity into scrotum. No. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Testis started descending. Where? Into scrotum. Okay. Now one thing, here one cord is there. See here, very big, very. This is. See, from here one cord is coming. Okay. What is the name of this cord?
Spermator cord.
Inlet. The cord pair vandu gubernaculum. What you called it? Gubernaculum. Gubernaculum is also called as what? Mesoarchium. Okay, gubernaculum is also called as what? Mesoarchium. Now what happened? How these testes come inside this scrotum in this 7th to 9th month? This gubernaculum start contracting. And one more thing I want to tell you. See, at the 6th month, testis already formed. Okay. So small quantity of testosterone is secreted by these testes. That was the first time the testes will secrete small quantity of testosterone. After that, it will never secrete. Just in the puberty, directly in the puberty age only testosterone will be secreted by these testes. So this testis secreted what? Testosterone. So, 1 minute. So at this 6th month, this testis secrete what? Testosterone. So this testosterone and HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin. What they will do? They will act on this. What? Gubernaculum. So because of this, what happened? The gubernaculum starts shrinking. And after shrinking, so when it starts shrinking, they will pull these testes Inside what? Scrotum. Clear or not? So earlier this gubernaculum is very long cord, but because of this testosterone and HCG, it keep on shrinking, and these testes are also pulled downward, and at last both the testes will go inside what? Scrotum. Understood or not this process? Hello? How many students
Yes,
are
sir.
there?
Understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood na?
Understood.
Very good, very good. So in some children's, in some newborn child, see what happen when in any male baby has been born. First of all, doctors see the scrotum only. If any male baby born out na, after delivery, the doctor will first of all check the scrotum, that whether the testis descended or come into scrotum or not. Suppose if the testis not come into the scrotum, okay, that condition is called as what? Cryptorchidism. Crypto. Okay, orchi word is related to what? Tell me. And now only I said now orchi word is related to what? Testis.
Yes, yes.
Crypto means what? So cryptorchidism means what? Testis fail to descend into scrotum. That condition is called as what? Cryptorchidism. Okay. Suppose if that baby is suffering from cryptorchidism, then doctor has to perform one surgery. Orchiopexy. So in this, what will happen? The doctor will take out the testis from the abdomen and keep it inside this scrotum and stitch it. Stitch it with the scrotum. Understood? So testis.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Hmm. Stitch. STICH. Stitch to scrotum. Scrotum by stitch to scrotum. Yes, by doctors, medical professional. That is called as orchiopexy. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, super. Now, okay, suppose this is the scrotum. Now, what happened outside of the scrotum? You will find one foldable skin. This is what skin. This skin having many folds, okay, called as rugae. Okay, means if you see your elbow, there also if you do your hand like this, here many fold will come down to your elbow. But if you make it like, if you fold your elbow, these folds will be, these folds will be lost. These folds will be what? Lost. That is called. Okay, so loose folds of skin. This is called as what? Rugae. Now, and one more thing. See, here one muscle layer is present. What are the name of that muscles?
The cremaster muscle, sir.
Yes, very good. Two types of muscles are there. This downward side, which muscle will be present? Dartos muscle. Dartos muscle is voluntary or involuntary muscle?
Voluntary.
Involuntary muscle. Now upper side, this is called as what? Cremaster muscles. Clear? And this is also which kind of muscle? Tell me.
Involuntary muscle.
Yes, involuntary muscle. Very good. Okay. Now what is the use of this Dartos muscle? Regulation of temperature. Dartos muscle help in what?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, Daltos, Daltos, sir.
No, DAR.
Dartos. Okay.
DARR. Okay, R. Dartos
Okay.
muscle. So it help in what? Regulation of temperature inside scrotum. Of scrotum. So what happens? See one thing. At the time of summer season, okay, summer season, this Dartos muscle relax. This muscle relax. So what will happen? The scrotum will become loose. Okay, and it will go down. So why this muscle relax? So what happen? It will go down. So its surface area of scrotum will increase, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this will go down at the time of summer. Okay. So surface area of scrotum will increase or decrease?
It will increase, sir.
It will increase, no. If more surface area will increase, then more heat loss will take place. If you increase the surface area, more heat loss will take place. So what happen? The heat will be lost out and inside it will become what? Cool. So more heat loss. Understood or not this concept? If you talk about in winter this muscle contract. Okay, Dartos muscle contract. So what happen? The surface area of scrotum will increase or decrease. Scrotum will go up, na, at the time of winter.
Yes, sir.
So surface area of scrotum will decrease.
Yes.
Surface area will decrease, less surface area, so less heat will evolve. Okay, so less heat loss. So heat will be remain inside the scrotum and it will make the temperature somewhat warm at the time of winter. Clear or not? Understood?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
understood,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Super.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here inside this, if you will see, what is this? Sorry, scrotum. Now inside this, you will there are the two oval shape testes are present. Okay, these are what? Testes. And one more thing, what is the use of this cremaster muscle? This cremaster muscle, what happened? See, uh, what is the use of this cremaster muscle? Uh, Ascend and descent of testes. Ascend and descent.
It is a skeletal.
No, it is not skeletal. Involuntary muscle, na. Involuntary is always smooth muscle. Voluntary is skeletal muscle. Both are smooth muscle, not skeletal muscle. Ascend and descent of testes. So see what happen if you talk about the cremaster muscle. In summer, it is what? Relax. So testes come down. In winter, it is what? Contract. So testes goes up. So up and down of testes. Summertime testes are what? Go down. Winter time it is come up. That is the use of this cremaster muscle. Understood? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now here, if you will see this, where is it? Okay, from here, one more layer is there. This inner layer inside the scrotum is called as what? Spermatic fascia. This is called as what? Spermatic fascia. What is the meaning of word fascia?
Muscle, sir.
Spermatic fascia. What is the meaning of word fascia? Tell me.
Bundle of muscles, sir.
No,
Muscle
when
fiber.
connective tissue condense to form a sheath-like structure, that is called fascia. Connective tissue condensed to form sheath-like structure, that is called as fascia. Clear or not? Okay, now let's see here. Okay, so it is connected. Testes are connected like this with the scrotum or spermatic fascia. What is this structure? This structure is called as what? Gubernaculum, also called as what?
Mesosteum.
Yes, mesoarchium. So before birth, this gubernaculum or mesoarchium was very long. Then, under the influence of testosterone hormone and HCG hormone, this start contracting, and at last it become like this much. Now it never get elongated. Once it get contracted, now it will never get elongated. So whole life testes will be inside the scrotum only. Clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
So this was okay. In some mammals like bat and mouse, testes come in the abdomen at the time of breeding season. Other season, testes remain in the abdomen. So in that
These
kind of animal, this gubernaculum is extending. It becomes short. Gubernaculum or mesoarchium becomes short during the breeding season. That's why breeding in at the time of breeding season only, their testes are coming into the scrotum. After breeding season, this gubernaculum relax and it become what? Increase in length. So testes come back into what? Abdomen. Clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
These are seasonal breeders. Now, if we will talk about elephant, blue whale, these all animals, empty scrotum is there. Means scrotum is present, but testes are inside the abdomen only. Inside the abdomen only, the temperature regulation is going on. Testes not coming out into what? Scrotum. So that is what? Okay. Clear or not? Okay. Okay, what is the meaning of unilateral cryptorchidism and bilateral cryptorchidism? If
one, only one.
yes, testes not descend.
Into scrotum.
Yes. Oh, sorry, scrotum. Yes, my mistake. Into scrotum. Yes. This is called as unilateral cryptorchidism. What is bilateral cryptorchidism?
Two tests.
Yes, both the testes not able to descend into the scrotum. That is called as what? Bilateral cryptorchidism. Understood up to here?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Strict, sir.
okay. This is what? Which canal? Okay, similarly here also. This is what? Inguinal canal. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, from this inguinal canal, what things are coming, what things are going out? That we are going to see here. First of all, this is what? Testicular artery. This is what? Testicular vein. So testicular artery brings the oxygenated blood to the testis. Testicular vein bring back the deoxygenated blood from the testis. Clear? Then next is what one. This is what? Testicular nerve. Testicular nerve. And after that, lymphatic, and one more thing is there. What is going out? Uh, Vas difference. Vas difference. Also going out. This is what? Vas difference is
Yes,
going
sir.
out. And one lymphatic vessel is also going out, but leave it. Okay. Now what happened? These all are going. Sorry, only one thing is coming inside. Testicular
Testicular
artery.
artery.
Rest everything is going out. Now because of that, what happened? There is one bunch of these pipes forms. A bunch will be formed. This bunch of this all arteries, veins, nerves, and all. This is called as what? Spermatic cord. Spermatic cord. Clear or not? What is spermatic cord? The bunch of vas deferens, testicular artery, testicular vein, testicular nerve. If suppose if you see very thick wire, if you cut that above wire, inside that many filaments you will see, all bundle of filament, like that only. Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Clear up to here? Okay. What is mean by referred pain? What is mean by referred pain? Suppose if suppose if you are playing cricket or anything, suddenly ball hits your scrotum, or anyone hit that scrotum, the pain sensation will come into what? Abdomen. Have you ever? No, leave it. Okay. See, if here hit, here any hit will be there. The pain sensation will come where? At the abdomen part. Why? This is called as referred pain. And one more thing, at the time of heart attack or angina pectoris, your left hand will start paining. Heart is here, na? Why left hand is paining? This is also called as what? Referred pain. Okay. So, hit at what? Scrotum. But pain, sensation, but pain, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Pain sensation in abdomen. This is called as what? Referred pain. Why? Because the testicular artery joined to abdominal artery. Sorry. Because testicular nerve joined to abdominal nerve and both nerve combinedly going into brain. Understood? Testicular nerve joins which nerve? Abdominal nerve. And together are going into the brain. That is called as what? Referred pain. And at the time of heart attack and angina pectoris also, left hand nerve and this chest nerve both combining here and both together going into what? Brain. That's why left hand is paining at the time of heart attack or myocardial infarction, like that. Clear up to here, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think
Yes,
sir.
today time is over, I think. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we will discuss further things.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
sir,
Yes.
sir, can you show the diagram, sir?
This one or this one?
This one, sir.
This
No,
one?
below that. Yes.
Oh, sorry.